how are your teams managing increases in support volume today and maintaining customer satisfaction?
I can actually share a quick story on that. It's something that happened last year, and we have done tons of things to kind of like manage support volume, from establishing automations to categorizing our tickets. But something that I love to share is that basically during the first couple of months of COVID, we were 100% underwater with support requests. We were super understaffed. We did not foresee that our volume was going to increase tenfold, basically. So what happened was our customer satisfaction score, our CSAT, dropped 10 percentage points. And that was crazy for us. It had never been that low, ever. And this was because basically customers weren't getting timely answers or timely updates to their questions. Their support requests were basically in the queue 4 days unanswered. And no one wants to have that experience, right? So we decided to offset that wait time by recording Loom videos to explain and to apologize for the wait. So essentially, by being genuine and really, really saying, hey, we're so sorry. We have 5 people working on 5,000 requests. I basically recorded a 1-minute video. It was sent to around 4,000 people. And in that video, I just showed a chart of our volume going up. And then I showed the photo of the people that were on the team. And I was like, I'm so sorry. These are the people we have on the team. They're doing their best to get back to you. But as you can see, that chart is going up. And the response was amazing. Everyone was getting back to me saying, Susana, thanks so much. I totally understand. Thanks for the transparency. Take as much time as you want. It's COVID. No one has done this before. But basically taking that response, I asked the team to double down and start recording more and more videos. So we went from around 200 videos a month to 500 videos. And just four months, I believe, 4 months after we did that, our CSAT went back to 93%. And it was still a backlog. We still had hundreds and hundreds of tickets that we still had to get back. But people understood the why. And I think that's a really great thing that we were able to do, and a really great experiment that the team ran. And honestly, I couldn't have done it without the amazing support team that we have at Loom. We have since doubled the team in size, so we're much more equipped to deal with the volume. But those months were critical for us. And I'm so happy to have those people, those amazing people on the team.